Hello everyone and welcome back to Ooh La La. Let's slow it down and enjoy something warm today. A hot and comforting cinnamon date coffee. It's a healthy winter drink that can easily replace any hot chocolate or latte. We're going to use 7 dates. We're using Algerian dates because they're naturally sweet with lovely caramel tones. This makes them perfect for sweetening the drink without any added sugar. Wash them, cut them in half, and remove the seeds. In a small pot or kettle, add 250 milliliters of milk. That's about 1 1/4 cups. Now add in the dates. Cook on low heat until it gets hot. We don't want it to boil, we just want the milk to be warm and the dates to get soft. When you see the steam coming out, turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 minutes. Now, using a hand blender or a regular blender, blend the dates in the milk until completely smooth and fully incorporated. Pour the mixture back into the same pot or kettle you used the first time, and add 1 cinnamon stick or a pinch of cinnamon powder, 3 cardamom seeds, which you can replace with a pinch of cardamom powder as well, and 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix everything with a spoon, then place it back on low heat. Cook until it starts to simmer, stirring from time to time. And just like that, our new winter addiction is ready. It's warm, comforting, healthy, and perfect for this time of year. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're excited to try this healthy winter drink. See you next time!